The CIA officials. The antiquity of the worn-out wooden chest and the idol was mind-blowing to say the least. It did not belong to this yuga on the Hindu time scale, just as the monk had said. It belonged to a period called Dwapara Yuga, making it the oldest human artifact in existence. Radiocarbon dating conducted by the University of California Radiation Laboratory on the heavy 9-inch thick timber sides and the lid of the chest in which it was discovered arrived at readings that indicated a period around 26,450 BCE. That would make it over 28,450 years old today, and about 23,000 years older than the legendary Hindu Kurukshetra war described in Mahabharata. The tests conducted by experts concluded that it was the oldest Hindu idol in existence. None of the known ancient excavated civilizations of history, Egyptian, Mesopotamian, or Indus Valley existed before 6,000 years ago. The contents of the chest included a manuscript written on wooden slots and the small brass-like crude metal idol. The old pre-Rigvedic Sanskrit type manuscript was translated by the CIA with difficulty. In fact, it took 2 long years to decipher, employing experts, including some Indian and Nepalese. They concluded that the language belonged to the proto-historic period of Hinduism, when it was thought no language existed and that the Vedas were being passed down orally. The manuscript appeared to be something similar to Sanskrit, but not quite anything any archaeologist or historian had ever seen before. The manuscript mentioned the name of the idol, Kalp Maha Ayusham Rasayana Vigraha, abbreviated in CIA files to Kalpa Vigraha. The Kalpa Vigraha is a small crude brass idol weighing about 47.10 grams, depicting a deity resembling the Hindu god Shiva seated on one knee, a serpent's hood forming a canopy above the head of the idol. In the right hand of the figure was a circular weapon, perhaps the Sudarshan Chakra. Around its neck was a string of beads. The metal formed 3 loops on one side, caused by the snake, an arm holding a conch shell and the discus. It measured about 5.3 centimeters tall and about 4.5 centimeters wide, with an oval base 2.5 centimeters long and 1.7 centimeters wide. There was no doubt the small statue was of extreme importance, that it have been preserved with such care in a chest of such strength and durability.